For bandaging, ensure the area is clean and dry. Begin by wrapping the bandage around the injured area in a circular motion, just below where you want to start the figure of 8 pattern. And then, fold the tip of the bandage. Wrap the bandage up and over the top of the joint, then down and around the back of the joint. Cross over the wrap around once more and then bring it back up over the top of the joint in a figure 8 shape. And then, repeat the figure of 8 pattern overlapping each layer by out half and width of the bandage. Lastly, once you've reached the desired level of compression, secure the bandage with tape or safety pins. Make sure also that the bandage is not too tight and not too loose, so that circulation is not compromised. Then lastly, press the toenail of the patient to see for capillary test refill. For wound dressing, perform hand hygiene, then clean the wound area, and then place some ointments that has been prescribed, and then place the thin layer of the sterile dressing. Then tuck the bandage by circular motion at least 2 to 3 times. Then overlap the bandage upward and then downward. Then with a tape or a bandage, make sure it's not too tight and not too loose.